Alright everybody, welcome to Castleberry 1. Figured I'd give y'all a little sneak peek of what the project is. I have a New Holland TS 6.110. I got 4 of these tractors I gotta build. We're doing a full forestry package on them. Already got the belly pan in. Working on stripping down some other things. Got to deal with this depth tank and all on these new tractors. Started working on the roll cage support for everything. Got it good and set up. Got to add some more supports. We're changing out the tires, going to a wider skidder tire. So I'm waiting on 2 of them to come in. I have some more back in the back of the shop I got to fab up. I figured I'd give y'all a little update on it. Try to do some more videos as time comes in. We'll get further along with them. But the shop's coming in good. I got pretty good organized, working on it. The old forklift I was running on 3 cylinders. Finally put a new motor in it. Got a pile of steel yet to go. There's some of the old centers out of the skidder rims. Walk back here to the back. Those are the skidder rims that we're cutting the dishes out of and redishing them with solid ones to fit the New Holland lug pattern. Still got a few more to go. There's my dishes that I'm using. Had a buddy of mine cut these out on a CNC plasma table. But slowly coming along. We got to rebuild this mower here for the same company. Still got all my welders piled up. Been working on trying to get power here down at the shop. Once we have that, maybe I could do some live videos so you ain't got to sit here and listen to that gas power machine run. We're doing power over there. Electrician's going to be back tomorrow to work on it some more. Y'all got to excuse the mess. I'm still trying to get things working. Got these 3 nice machines here that we're going to be using as soon as we get to Georgia Power to hook up everything. Right now we're having to run off the old, what is this? Lincoln Electric Trailblazer 301G. Yeah, I had to fix that. I'm not a big Miller fan, but I got quite a few of them. Got that little Hobart back there. It's a 250 amp machine, but it's made by Miller. Got a 305 Lincoln. I got a 250 Lincoln. So we're just cutting out parts, drilling, building as we go. So I'm trying to get all my parts cut out for all 3 machines as I build this one. That way, when the other 3 arrive, all we have to do is pretty much have an assembly line going and put parts on instead of taking the time to cut them out and put them on and cut them out and put them on. So everything's going to be cut out, prefabbed. Got all my hanger brackets sitting over here. They're ready to go. Ton of nuts and bolts. This is some of the stuff we pulled off of it. Fenders are all coming off. Steps come off. Mirrors, lights, everything. These are actually going to be mowing power lines. Alabama, Georgia, Florida. So they're going to, if you're out and about, you're liable to see them around. They'll actually have my name on the front of them. We got to start on the grill guard and winch mount probably tomorrow. It's going to have a bracket that comes out on both sides, and a piece across here, and then a flat plate for the winch mount. Then it's going to come up to probably around this area right in here. Then I'm going to have my limb risers go up to the top of the machine. But I got to be able to make sure the hood clears on this thing to go all the way up, because that's how you get to the air filter on these newer little tractors. Company has been using open cab or open station tractors. This is going to be some of the first ones he has with the enclosed cab. So we're gonna design and build this one and then tackle the other three. He's gonna still run these same front tires until they wear out or they get too big of a hole in them. When we get through with this thing, it's gonna be around 8.5 foot wide with the skidder tires on the back. Now I'll try to get y'all a video of when they come in, if we don't run into any major problems. But sorry about the poor video quality. I'm using my tablet to record this so I can just go ahead and update it later and not tie up my phone data. But it's a little update for y'all. Hopefully I can start doing some more videos. I'm going to have a swing out rear protective expanded metal. That way if it does roll on the driver's side, they can open that and get the guy out the back window. This side over here is actually going to be solid because of the way they mow. This side of the tractor is always facing the thicker brush, say the edge of the right of way, so it takes the most abuse. We're going to build a access door in this area here to be able to get into that filter so they can get to it. And all this nice fancy government juice plastic filter junk is going to be protected with a steel plate that's going to weld onto this angle iron and come up to about here. Then my front support for the top of the roll cage is going to actually weld to that and go all the way up. Then my limb riser is going to tie into it. It's going to have a solid top on it, keep trash from messing up the front of this thing. But yeah, completely new adventure for me. I've built these cages before several times. First one I've had to do on a tractor with all this DEF and exhaust fluid systems. The first time I really had to do one with a cage. But it's going to be an adventure. And I'm going to try to take y'all along with me. I appreciate all the new subscribers. You're welcome to like, subscribe, comment. And I hope all of y'all have a good day. Walter Castleberry's 1. Trying to get after it. Y'all have a good one.